good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 11 from verse 37 to verse 54. Jesus warned the Pharisee them and the lawman them. After Jesus done talk, one Pharisee invite him in yard to come near with him. So Jesus go with him, and when him reach, him sit down at the table. The Pharisee shocked for see say Jesus no wash him hand them before him start eat. Cause this a sitting where the Pharisee them do, cause them think that will make them right with God. The Lord said to the Pharisee, "No, uno Pharisee, uno wash the outside a cup and plate, but in our heart, uno greedy and wicked. The whole of uno a fool, not the same one when make the body, make the heart too. Get to the poor and do it from the heart, and then that will show say everywhere clean. All uno Pharisee, trouble for no, cause out of every 10 bungla mint, tea bush, and the sitting them when no grow in our garden, uno give God one, but still uno no deal with people fear, and uno no love God neither. What if you do? I deal with people fear, love God, and give God the one out of every 10 we uno have, same way. Uno Pharisee, trouble for uno, cause uno love to sit down in the best seat in the Jew them church. And uno love when people give uno special Audi when uno go to market. Trouble for uno, cause uno come in like grave where people walk pan and uno know say they true they have no mark pan them. One law teacher answer Jesus say, "Teacher, when you say they in sitting here, you disrespect we too." Jesus say, "Uno say all uno will teach the law? Trouble for uno, cause uno pack up people with load where they can barely manage, and uno no even lift one finger to help them. Trouble for uno, cause uno build tomb for the prophet them, and are the same people when you come from, kill them. When you build tomb for the prophet them, where you people them kill, where you say that uno people did right. Sake of this, God, we wise in every way, say, me will send prophet and apostle give them, but then we kill some, and them are gonna make some of them suffer. The people them from that time here, I forgot answer for all of the blood of the prophet them, we then kill from the world start. From Abel, go right down to Zachariah, we then kill between the altar which part them bone sacrifice in a God house. Yes, me I tell you no, the people them from that time here, I forgot answer for all of them. Trouble for uno, we teach the law, cause uno take where the key we open the way for people understand and know God word. Uno never go in, and uno tap other people from going in too. When Jesus left there so, the Pharisee and the law teacher them start to treat him wicked. Them ask him one bag of tricky question, so they could have catch him and use what him say against him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God